Today we will start the new topic, which is integration. In this question we have to find the integral of this is equals to what. So now start the solution. We will use this formula: mod of x minus a is equals to x minus a when x is greater than equal to a, and minus of x minus a when x is less than a. So we will break this integral in two parts and then integrate separately. Okay, so this 1 plus 4 sine square x by 2 minus 4 sine x by 2, we can write this like this: 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 ka whole square whole under root. Okay, and integral of 0 to pi, integration of from 0 to pi, which will be equals to, when root and square get cancelled, there will be the mod, and integration of from 0 to pi will of 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx will equals to, as I had already told you that we will use the formula this to break this integral. So we will break this into two parts. Mod will be break into two parts, that is x minus a and minus of x minus a. For x greater than a, that is a 0 to pi by 3, from 0 to pi by 3 it will be 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx, minus from pi by 3 to pi 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx. Further, by integrating 1, we will get x and minus 2 sine x by 2. When it get integrated, it will be equals to 4 cos x by 2, minus of 4 cos x by 2, and minus get plus from, and integrated from 0 to pi by 3. Same again here, minus of this integration of 1 will be equal to x, and minus 2 sin x by 2 will be equals to 4 cos x by 2, and integrated from pi by 3 to pi. So by putting this upper limit and lower limit, we will get the final answer, that is equals to 4 root 3 minus 4 minus pi by 3. Thank you.